Good morning. Welcome to another Meatless Monday. So this will be the third Monday in a row. I already had my coffee, sip, and right now I'm getting ready to make some scrambled eggs on some whole grain toast. Okay, and then since I already had my coffee, I already have like a little headache, so I'm going to switch and have my matcha, and then I'm going to add some protein in it. So I'm going to get my oat milk, and you guys, I have oat milk all the time, so this is not, for the camera. I always have oat milk in my coffee or whatever I make, but I just don't drink milk. Okay, so you have about a cup, and then you pour like a little bit of water. Protein is going to be Premier Vanilla, and I'm just going to add 1 scoop of protein in there. In the microwave. I'm going to go ahead and make my eggs. Well, my pan is more than hot. Ooh, it's smoky. Got my $6 egg. $5 and some change for some eggs. Oh, I mean, at this rate, I should only have 1 egg. I mean, we gotta preserve the eggs. We gotta keep the eggs. We're gonna go ahead and get the bread because I am pretty hungry today. Oh, I forgot about it, so now I done made a mess. Okay, so now we're starting over. All right, so now I have the protein powder in this 1/4 cup of water, a little bit of pumpkin spice to the top. Boom, there you go. But it's okay. Tastes pretty good, but just need to go back in the microwave. So are my eggs. Let me stop this just in case I have enough on there. So we're gonna add everything. Bagel seasoning, Walmart, okay, get you some to some, but I don't really care to add like a whole lot of stuff on my food. Not all the time, I should say. Very simple and easy. Okay. Good. There we go. I'll be back. Okay, so I went to Dollar Tree, but first I went on my walk. I had a beautiful time walking at the park, being around the trees, the sun, the little cool air, being around people. It was just a beautiful walk, and I really enjoyed myself. So let's go ahead and get into what I bought. These are some new items that I saw at the Dollar Tree. The all-purpose cleaner, like these are pretty new. This here is like a cute little spray. So I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. And I love the way the bottles look because I can actually repurpose these bottles, you know what I'm saying, and take this off. And this will be cute to have like as some type of aesthetic. Okay. And this is like something you can put on the carpet, deodorizer. I should have got another one of these sprays because these are so freaking cute. Alright. So then of course picked up a few little items here. You know, little usual stuff, little knickknacks to put in the house. Yeah. Stuff like that. Little toothbrushes to take to work. Sensitive. Yep. And that's it. So now I'm getting ready to make myself something to eat. I'm eating an apple. Yep. So I'm going to have this until my until my bread unthaws, and then I'm just gonna have a veggie sub sandwich. Stay tuned. Okay, so I just decided to just only have bread and butter because when I had it in the oven, it got a little too toasted, and I don't like my sandwiches toasted. So literally, that's all I got in here is bread and butter. So this is what I'm going to have, and I might have a protein shake in about an hour or two, and then hopefully that'll hold me over until we have dinner. Now for dinner, I'm going to have my leftover white rice with some veggies. I might make lentils, I'm not sure, but I might just go ahead and make it. Yeah, since it's going to be cold the rest of this week, yeah, I'll go ahead and make some lentils. Yep, sure will. I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, so it is 4:22. I have not eaten since the last time I had talked to you about eating, you know, the little whole wheat bread. So right now I am cooking. I'm cooking some corn. Okay. This rice I already had, so I'm going to have the rice, some corn, and I don't have any more lentils, so I am mad about that because I thought I had a bag and I don't. Well, I know I can have salad and have the rice and the corn. I don't necessarily have to have a meat substitute, so I still have some more gardein, but I don't really want that right now. I don't feel like cooking that. The family, we are going to have, the family's going to have hot wings and fries for dinner today because last night dinner was delicious. I need you to look at that little clip. We had turkey wings, honey. We had some rice, honey. Yes, and we had string beans and cornbread. So it was like so delicious. So what I'm getting ready to do right now is go ahead and make my my little concoction with the creatine. Okay. So I'm going to use half of my half of this because I used half. I believe it was Friday, so I'm using the other half. Add more liquid. You can add some Stokes coffee just to make it a little. I'm gonna have this, but that was good with the Stokes cold brew coffee. Oof, that was delicious. All right, so today is going to be, I'm sorry, I'm about to tell you what I'm about to, what type of workout I'm getting ready to do. Never mind, I forgot. This is the wrong vlog for that. Not really. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you are doing so because I drop my workouts on Friday, or like what I do in a week on Fridays. I am on Zepbound, but I'm doing maintenance once a month, so there's really nothing to update anybody on. So I just basically give you free-form videos, and I am currently doing 75 soft. My 75 soft challenge actually ends this Saturday, so I'll do a recap on how I did, but that's basically what my series has been for the past almost 2 months now, 2.5 months. But yeah, now I got to figure out what else am I going to talk about on Fridays since Zepbound is not in my life anymore like that. Okay, so here is my bowl. All right, so I didn't fill the rice all the way up to the rim. I filled it like right there, so just about an inch halfway, and then that's how I was able to get this little suction. Then I did 2 spoonfuls of corn. I used this, and then the base is lettuce. Then of course I use my torso sauce, and then I use about a half a cup of the Italian dressing, the Olive Garden Italian dressing. This is my plate for dinner for my Meatless Monday. And now yeah, this is my plate. All right, so let me go ahead and do an aesthetically pleasing, you know, just for the aesthetics, baby. Let's go ahead. We're gonna dive right in. And then for dessert, if I feel like it, I will have some ice cream. But for right now, I don't really feel like having anything. All right, honey, my battery is about to die. Thank you so much for watching the Meatless Monday with me, and I will check you out later. I just got finished filming my workout video. Well, strength training on my glutes, so you'll see that sometime this week. Goodbye, gorgeous. Okay, so before I go to bed, I am going to have some more protein because I realized I did not have enough protein today. So, therefore, your girl is having protein coffee. I don't know why I didn't just have another cup of matcha, but yeah, this is what we're going to have to do. I do work from home tomorrow since today, which is Monday, President's Day, is a holiday. So, therefore, I get to use my 1 day a week. Since today was a holiday, I can use it tomorrow. So I'll be fine.